Big croc. He's asleep. Sick. Oh, get out of the way. Staring at me.
That's Finnegan right there.
Oh. There it is.
That's the shark here. Alright, thanks for coming, everybody.
It's done.
We didn't say sharks.
No, there's
The
one.
sharks leaf. It says sharks.
Stereotypical aquarium.
Try touching the glass guy's fin. Like, look at how close it is, but then, oh!
Dang it.
It's weird, man.
Let me try again. Dang it.
It's like double layered glass.
Like triple layer, dude. Oh, dude.
Oh my god.
Does this work?
Hey, subscribe to Shady Go-Go. This vlog sucks.
Does 3D work on camera?
Animal, vegetable, or mineral. Actually, it sounds better. I lost my M.
Oh, hey. This is Coca-Cola world, I guess. A lot of Coke stuff here. Are we in the bottle right now? What's your problem? I like to have Coke. Coke everything, man. Go get some Coke. Panoramic views. What are we doing?
Alright.
Yeah. Who cares? God, this place is so dope.
That garden right there is off the
Isn't
chain.
it awesome?
It is off the chain. The chain has been
Just-
released.
And
by
it's
that garden.
off.
It's off.
And it's just off, isn't it? Oh God.
Which one's the husband?
Oh God. All right. Everybody subscribe to me on YouTube. This place is sick, dude. Look at that. I'm gonna get married there. Bam. What is this place? Am I high?
Oh. Thank God that they get off on the 10th floor and stop before. So the ghosts really taunted.
Dude, that's just.
There's just cameras everywhere here. That's embarrassing. Where? Security cameras
Everywhere.
Have us doing it. Yes, but
Yeah, who cares?
like fucking morons.
YOLO. Alright, go.
One yellow.
Alright, I'm done. Rain? In the middle of the desert. Explain. In-N-Out burger.
In-N-Out, In-N-Out.
In-N-Out, In-N-Out. We're in California now.
No one ever goes
We're in California all of a sudden. Where are we? Barstow? I don't know where that is. So mine's a little messed up here. Whoa, Dodger game tonight. Yep. We'll be in Disneyland tonight too. Just getting there. Shut up, truck.
What do you think? Male or female?
Female.
Young or old?
Young.
Arab.
This is the Rose Bowl. We are in Pasadena, California. This place is sick. Look at those houses. You can't even see them. Look at that. Ah, I missed the sign.
Go visit the
Dodger Stadium.
members' houses. They're
Somewhere.
probably home.
Oh, hi, Peter. There we go. There it is. So far, not so good, really. Dude, this is sick. Come on. Come on.
That camp going on there.
God, I just missed it. They're still playing it. Daft Punk. Right there, dude.
Once in a while, Ted Williams is always trying to get me in the game. Yeah, he I think let the rest of us win the first couple plays, and then it got serious, and I haven't won anything since. No, just anything, trying to kill time. Sometimes you have a long road trip. You know, just need that time to kind of just come back to reality, kind of just hang out with just a game.
Exactly.
That was the best minute of my life.